Okay, good morning. I'm accompanied by the same team as on previous occasions, and I'm pleased to be here to brief you today. Today I can report some further encouraging information regarding the search for missing flight MH370. On Monday, I advised that the towed pinger locator deployed by the Ocean Shield had detected signals consistent with those emitted by aircraft black boxes on two separate occasions. I can now tell you that Ocean Shield has been able to reacquire the signals on two more occasions, late yesterday afternoon and late last night Perth time. The detection yesterday afternoon was held for approximately 5 minutes and 32 seconds. The detection late last night was held for approximately 7 minutes. Ocean Shield has now detected 4 transmissions in the same broad area. Yesterday's signals will assist in better defining a reduced and much more manageable search area on the ocean floor. I believe we are searching in the right area, but we need to visually identify aircraft wreckage before we can confirm with certainty that this is the final resting place of MH370. For the sake of the 239 families, this is absolutely imperative. Today, the Ocean Shield is continuing the slow, painstaking and methodical work to refine the location around the 4 acoustic detections. We are not yet at the point of deploying the autonomous underwater vehicle. The better Ocean Shield can define the area, the easier it will be for the autonomous underwater vehicle to subsequently search for aircraft wreckage. It is important to note that Ocean Shield can search 6 times the amount of area with the towed pinger locator than can be done with the sonar on the autonomous underwater vehicle. Searching underwater is an extremely laborious task, so the more work we can do on the surface with the towed pinger locator to fix the position of the transmission, the less work we will have to do below the surface, scouring the sea floor. Given the guaranteed shelf life of the pinger batteries is 30 days, and it is now 33 days since the aircraft went missing, it is important that we gather as much information to fix the possible location of the aircraft while the pingers are still transmitting. In further promising information, we have received the results of the data analysis conducted on the signals detected by Ocean Shield on the first 2 occasions. This data analysis was conducted by the Australian Joint Acoustic Analysis Centre based at HMAS Albatross in Nowra, New South Wales. It is the Australian Defence Forces Centre of Excellence for Acoustic Analysis. The analysis determined that a very stable, distinct and clear signal was detected at 33.331 kilohertz and that it consistently pulsed at a 1.106 second interval. They therefore assess that the transmission was not of natural origin and was likely sourced from specific electronic equipment. They believe the signals to be consistent with the specification and description of a flight data recorder. Up to 11 military aircraft, 4 civil aircraft and up to 14 ships will assist in today's search. A modified RAAF AP3C will coordinate with Ocean Shield in conducting a sonar buoy search in the same vicinity. Today, a weak front is moving in from the southeast and is expected to bring scattered showers. The planned search area is about 75,000 square kilometres. You may have noticed the size of the search area has significantly reduced over the last couple of days. Based on Ocean Shield's detections, we are now searching a much more concentrated area based on the drift predications made possible by Ocean Shield's detections. The smaller area has also allowed us to plan much tighter search patterns based entirely on visual search principles. In other words, we have intensified our search in the visual search area. Just a bit of housekeeping. At my last press conference, I said I would come back to you with the precise timings of when the signals were detected by the Ocean Shield. The first detection took place on Saturday the 5th of April at 4:45 p.m. Perth time. The second detection took place on Saturday the 5th of April at 9:27 p.m. Perth time. The third detection took place on Tuesday the 8th of April at 4:27 p.m. Perth time. The fourth detection took place on Tuesday 8th of April at 10:17 p.m. Perth time.